Hello, today I will show you how to enable the Find Phone function on your Sony SmartBand 2. So first we have to set it up on your phone. So simply unlock the device and swipe up. This has to be the device that is paired with your Sony SmartBand 2, and you should have the SmartBand 2 application installed on it. So open it. And just like that, here you can go into the settings menu and select remote control. This is the option. Select to turn it on, and here you have active function. Press on it and select Find Phone. And now whenever your phone is lost and you want to find it, you can simply press this button once and then tap the device, and it will turn on the Find Device function on your phone. Let's test it. So I simply press this and tap it. Just like that. See? And as you can see, it was quite loud, and you have to press the notification on your phone that you have found it. So simply as that, press this button and tap it quite hard. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.